What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a freaking fabulous day. This is just going to be a nice little update video on the good old Dirty Max. I know you guys missed her. I know you did. We have a few other updates as well, but I definitely want to show you a few things today that I accomplished. I've been very busy. That's why you haven't seen a YouTube video here lately. Let's get a good thumbnail of the good old Dirty Max here. There we go. So I did a few things the past few days with this thing, namely my floodlights and my rear lights back here on the truck. They've been hooked up, but they haven't been wired up. You know what I mean, guys? So I figured I'd take a little bit of time. I'll wire everything up and introduce you to something that Auxbeam sent me, which was really awesome, actually. I'm gonna pop the hood here. Hopefully we can see in the hood because I'm short and my truck is not short. But as you guys can see right here, you know, bolted to the fuse block. We're gonna take the cap off here. Hopefully you guys can see it. There we go. Got some fuses in here. This is an Auxbeam distribution block, which is freaking amazing. I'm not going to go through all the crap of showing you how it's wired up and stuff. It's all pretty normal on how to wire something like this up. But you have that with a whole bunch of fuses in it. And then you have the relay. I guess it's a 60 amp relay sitting right there. That's wired up to hot. And then we're going to go inside the truck here, guys. And then inside the truck, we have this 8-gang, they call it an 8-gang, I guess, push button controller from Auxbeam. Obviously I have auxiliary, light bar, rear lights, and floodlights. These 4 down here are blank because I don't have any use for them. They make a 6 one too. Maybe I should have gotten the 6 one, but I didn't. I got the 8 one, and I'm sure in the future I'll find more spots for it. But the nice thing about this setup is no more buttons in random locations. Everything's controlled by one single unit up here in the top, which is really nice. Now obviously you guys are probably interested in seeing how this all works, so let's take a look. Start the good old truck up. It's illuminated as well, guys, so we're just going to get to the jits here and we're going to turn everything on. Floodlights as well, so everything's on. Aux is not hooked up. They're my emergency lights. Haven't got to them yet, but yeah, everything's lit up. So let's go take a look. We'll start in the back, in the rear with the gear. So yeah, guys, we got rear LED lights, and they are working freaking phenomenal. I can't wait till you see them at nighttime, to be honest. And we have our front floodlights and obviously our Auxbeam freaking light bar up there as well. Very nice unit. Very nice unit. So I got my hood camera, my Hero 5 up front there, because I was driving around today with the windows open because it's nice out. I was going and doing some things. And with the windows down, I could actually hear this Duramax Tuner turbo, and man, it sounded good. So I wanted to include some footage in this video as well. Hopefully my 5 picks it up of the Duramax Tuner turbo on this thing, and how beautiful this thing freaking sounds. Because it sounds good. Hopefully my camera doesn't fall off. That would suck. That would suck. So in other news, I bought a new laptop, and as many of you probably really don't know, my editing skills are not the best, and I use Windows Movie Maker, believe it or not. And my old laptop had it, but my new laptop does not have it. I bought an Asus ZenBook. My old laptop was crashing and having issues, and obviously it's not a good idea to tune cars while you're crashing and having issues with your laptop. So I ended up going out and buying a nice new one, and it's a nice laptop. I can't complain. It's a nice laptop, but it has a different tuning software on it from Microsoft, editor, video, or whatever. So bear in mind, this video might not be the best that, you know, you've seen. Maybe it's not, I don't know. But I'm just learning how to use the software until I can figure out if I'm going to go with a better software for editing my videos. If you guys have any suggestions, comment below. Let me know what I should use to edit my videos. I mean, I've gone this long using a GoPro and and Windows Movie Maker, so I would still like to stay with Windows Movie Maker, but obviously they're discontinued, so I can't use it anymore. So yeah, so if you guys have any good, easy, I know like Adobe, Photoshop Adobe is real good to use, and Final Cut's really good to use, and there's I think Film Share, I think for Mora, maybe something like that is another good one to share as well, or to use as well. But it's going to take me a little bit of time, guys, to get back in the groove of editing, since I'm now learning a whole entirely new software to edit YouTube videos for. So please be patient with me. And if you see some mistakes in the future videos, you obviously know why now. So, but let's get back to hearing this beautiful turbo and this Duramax. Nobody wants to hear me talk. They just want to hear whistling sounds from turbos. Sounds so sweet. I love it. Love this truck, guys. Love this truck. Freaking love it, man. Love it. Hope that audio is coming through good for you. I really do, because inside the truck it sounds delicious. Delicious, guys. Delicious. That should be a new term. It looks so delicious. So delicious. This is like the new YouTuber thing. Just drive around and talk and hear engine sounds and turbo sounds. Oh, so another update, Ghost, my Trans Am, my formula, my Firebird formula, will be up and running again soon here. Got the last couple pieces of something I was waiting for a while, and we're gonna be having her back on the road here, and you guys are gonna be seeing horsepower numbers. And on top of that, Zach's Integra, my kid's Integra, with the B20 VTEC, we got a new little surprise for that car as well, guys. You guys are going to be so happy to hear what he bought for that thing, and it's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome. Oh man, you know what? I just want to hear more turbo sounds. Oh yeah, that's just a beautiful. So yeah, guys, it should be pretty interesting. You're gonna love what's done. Plus there's a few cars in the shop that we're getting ready to finish up here soon, and they're gonna be making some good horsepower again. I think maybe I'm back. Maybe the performance thing is back. I don't know. I post performance videos for you guys and you hate it. Nobody views them, nobody likes them. I don't know. Never gets any views, never makes any revenue, which is fine. You know, I enjoy making the videos. It seems like you guys like the Zach stuff, me and Zach arguing with each other, not accomplishing anything videos more, which is fine. You know, we can post them too. Like I said, we'll be having one of those here soon as well. But yeah, definitely want to catch up with you guys. I know it's been 7 or 8, 9 days, something like that, 10 days, something like that, since I posted a video. But with this new laptop, I got to learn how to use the software and stuff, so it's kind of irritating. But you got to do what you got to do. As usual, guys, all the links down in the description. Please go visit them. Please go click on them if you need parts or need lights or need headlights or pods or whatever the heck, or even, you know, suspension parts, turbo systems. Go visit them, guys. And the only reason I say that down in the description is go check them guys out. Plus I have merch sales down there too, by the way. The only reason I tell everybody to go visit down there is because those guys have kept this channel going when YouTube hasn't. Because YouTube's not really paying a whole lot of money, guys. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it's not paying a whole lot of money right now. But you know, the sponsors down in the description, the people that have, you know, helped me out with products and, you know, helped build, you know, my car and obviously helped build the truck, those guys are the true winners here, everybody. they're the ones that kept this channel alive, and I thank every single one of them. You know, from Huron Speed all the way down to Rough Country and Move Bumpers and, you know, all the other sponsors down there. They kept the channel going, guys, for you. They kept it going for you, technically, for all you guys out there wanting content. If it wasn't for those companies, this channel probably really would have died a long, long time ago, to be honest. Because, you know, it takes money to make money, unfortunately, and sometimes you just don't have money to make shit happen. You know, I'm not rich by any means, so I can't just take, you know, $1,000 or $4,000 or $5,000 and, you know, just throw it at the wind and be like, well, I hope this makes my money back. You know, it doesn't work like that with me, guys, unfortunately. A lot of other YouTubers are the same way as well, believe it or not. You know, it's the people that, you know, help them out with products, discounted products or free products, or whatever the case may be. They're the companies that really keep a lot of these channels going, guys. So you definitely got to support these guys. I mean, they're definitely putting in the work. They're giving up, they're making a sacrifice for the channel, and then the channel's doing what they got to do to put their name out there and make them look good and all that fun jazz. And I hope I've done my due diligence with these companies. I'm sure I have. I mean, just look at my truck, look at my car. I'm sure I've put them in a very, very good light. But yeah, there you go, guys. I mean, definitely go down and check them guys out if there's anything you're looking for or needing. Hopefully there's a link down there that will satisfy your needs. But other than that, we're gonna end this video. We're almost home. I'm tired. It's been a long day, and I'm ready for some beer, to be honest. I'm ready to drink a beer. But like I said, I just wanted to catch up with you guys. I know it's been a while since I made a video. I'm gonna try to bust out videos here for you of the stuff going on in the shop and the, you know, Trans Am, Zach's Integra, the truck, obviously, stuff like that. But be patient. Things will be happening here soon. Summer's coming, so it's getting nicer out, and we can start making some really, really fun, good videos of drag racing and four-wheeling and mudding and all that fun stuff. So other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a huge favor, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and select all so you don't miss any future videos. And deuces, guys.